Hey, what's up? It is time and it is Tammy. So today I am sharing with you something really cool. I've never seen it before. It's really unique and very different. And it is a BTS cookbook and I can't wait to share it with you guys. So I'm gonna use my CrossFit hands to open this. I just want to make sure I'm not tearing the book in this package. Ta-da! Look at this. I got the BTS cookbook. How awesome is this? So obviously this book is inspired by the boys and what they've eaten. I got 3 books. I am sending 2 of them actually to 2 armies and very close friends. This is today's find. Today we are going to make Korean candied sweet potatoes from this BTS cookbook. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. Let's dive in, shall we? So you need 2 medium sweet potatoes, preferably Korean sweet potatoes if possible. And then you are going to peel the sweet potatoes. And then once they're peeled, you're gonna cut them into 1-inch pieces and put them in a large bowl like so. And once you put them in a large bowl, you're gonna fill it up with cold water and make sure you soak it in there for about 30 minutes or so. And then once they are patted and dried, then you're gonna add them into a saucepan and make sure that the oil is bubbly like that. And I put an anti-splatter contraption on top so that the stove won't get all crazy with oil splatter. And here I am adding brown sugar and 3 tablespoons of honey together. And on the sauce, and in another saucepan, I warmed up the oil already. And I went ahead and added the brown sugar mixture in there. Again, it's 3 tablespoons of honey and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. And so just a side note, I chose this recipe because I recently watched a Run BTS episode, and it's actually episode 20, and that's when Jung Kook showed this this dish to everyone, and he said that he used to make this during his trainee days for the guys. And so back to the recipe. So you want to make sure that it's bubbly, and then you're going to transfer the sweet potatoes over to the mixture like so. And so you want to gently, and I do mean gently, coat them in the mixture like so. And so I was really gentle with it just to make sure that I don't break the sweet potato. And there you have it. It's been plated, and I garnished it with sesame seeds for that added crunch to the dish. All right, so here we are with the finished product. We're gonna give it a try. Let's see how it tastes.
Never had this before. Definitely sweet.
You can definitely taste the honey
in
here.
Yeah, definitely can taste the honey. It's pretty good. Yeah, I like it. I mean, I'm no expert at food taste testing, but it's edible. It's good. I could eat a lot of it. Sweet. Good texture. Soft. Good job.
Yeah, this makes us a good dessert. So, but I do recommend that you guys don't eat this often. It is fried. But this is very delicious. I could taste the honey in here. It does stick to the plate a little bit. So this is very good. So go ahead and try out this recipe and enjoy.
Bon appetit!
If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.
And don't forget to hit that like button.
Yeah.